Welcome back to the Jamaican Taste Buds Kitchen. My name is Aisha, and today guys I got a breakfast video for you. So today guys I will be making a simple Jamaican breakfast for you. I'll be making my tin mackerel fried dumpling and fried plantain video. Daniel, you asked for fried plantains? Well, here we go. So if you want to know how I put the flavor of love into my dishes, stay tuned for more. Guys, remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video and tell me what you think about my video today. Everybody who knows me knows I like my tea, and every morning before I have breakfast I always have my tea. And right here guys, I have a vanilla caramel tea. I'll drink tea all day, all night. So usually I have it with a little milk, a little honey, or sugar. So these are the ingredients for my fried dumpling, tin mackerel, and plantain recipe. So guys, what I have in here is 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. I have a teaspoon of salt. I have some milk. Over here I have some baking powder. I have a little bit of butter. Over here guys I got 2 tin mackerel. Over here guys I got my seasonings. I got my onion, I got my bell pepper, I got my scotch bonnet pepper, my garlic, my scallion, my thyme, and also my tomato. And I like to add a little bit of ketchup to my tin mackerel. And you know we can't forget the black pepper. And guys, I will be pairing my tin mackerel and fried dumpling with my fried plantains. Daniel, remember you asked me for fried plantains? This is for you, girl. Okay guys, since I've already added this salt to the all-purpose flour, I'm just gonna add 2 teaspoons of baking powder to my flour mixture. So as you know guys, baking powder is a rising agent and it's gonna contribute to the rising of your dough. So what I'm gonna do now guys is just mix my flour mixture a little bit, and then I'm gonna add the butter. And guys, what we're gonna do is just pinch it in the air until it turns to breadcrumbs consistency. Guys, when we pinch it like this, it's helping to release all the air pockets in your flour mixture. Okay guys, so as you see, it has a breadcrumbs consistency, and now we can make a well in our flour mixture and add the milk gradually. So we add the milk in the well, just a little at a time, no rush. The dough is coming along. It's not finished yet, but it's coming along, guys. Coming along. And put your back into it, guys. Put your back into it. Okay, guys, and once your dough is done, this is what it should look like. You see, it's not sticking onto the gloves anymore. So that's what you're looking for. Okay, guys, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take a piece of plastic wrap and I'm gonna just wrap the bowl with the dough inside. And what this does guys is when you make any type of dough, you gotta let it rest, because when you cover it so that no air is exposed, and because of the rising agent in the dough, it helps to give you a better consistency and your dough will rise. So I'm just gonna let this dough sit for like about 30 minutes and then we will go to our tin mackerel recipe, guys. Clean up, everybody clean up, clean up, clean up. So guys, I'll be prepping for my tin mackerel now. First thing I'm gonna do is cut up my seasoning. And always wash your seasonings. So now we're gonna open our canned mackerel. So guys, before I start cooking, I like to prep everything. So I'm not running around or, you know, making the stuff on the stove burn. So see how easy that was? I don't waste anything. So we're gonna just put some water in this, just rinse it out a little bit and pour it on top of the sauce. So while the pot is heating up, I'm gonna pour some oil, just enough to cover it, guys. While that's heating up, guys, I have my dough over here. I'm just gonna break the dough off so I can make my dumplings, guys. Okay guys, on a low heat, I'm just gonna add the dumplings to the fire. Always put it on low, guys, because you don't want it to burn. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now is just whenever I see that the dumplings start to get a little color on the bottom that's turned down, I'm just gonna turn them over, guys. Look at that beautiful golden brown color, and that's what we're looking for, guys. And look at that golden brown color, that's what we're looking for. I'm just gonna turn these one more time. That's what we're looking for, guys. We don't want burnt dumplings around here, right? As you see, it started to open where the dough is. That's how you know your dumplings are ready. Okay guys, my dumplings are ready because look at that. You see it moving from the side? The side started to open. That's how I know my dumplings are ready. So guys, I just transferred this a little closer. And we're gonna just, see, these are limp now. So you know that's the time to add your tin mackerel in. Now is just working on my fried plantains. Stir it, guys. We're gonna just add a little bit of oil. I'm gonna just add them. And make sure that your stove is on low, guys. Okay guys, I'm just gonna have a little taste. That's really good. That's perfect. Guys, this is how we do it in the Jamaican Taste Buds kitchen. Whenever you're making fried plantains, how you know it's ready to be turned? It's when the sides start to turn brown. Okay guys, you see the sides are changing to a golden brown. That's how you know they're ready to be turned. Okay guys, so see, they are golden brown on both sides. My plantains are ready. We're just gonna take them out, put them on the paper towel so that the paper towel will soak up all the oil and the plantains won't be soggy. Okay guys, so look at that. I got my fried dumplings done the Jamaican way, my fried plantains, and over here I have my tin mackerel. So now everything is done. It's time for the taste test. Okay guys, look at that beautiful dish right here. It looks like an island, doesn't it? So right here I have my tin mackerel, my fried plantain, and my fried dumpling, guys. Crunchy fried dumpling. So now that the dish is finished, it's time for the taste test. So here I have my finished breakfast, guys. I have my tin mackerel with my fried plantains, fried ripe plantains with my fried dumplings. Now that the meal is finished, it's time for the taste test. This is really good, guys. I'm gonna try with the dumpling, guys. Whenever Jamaicans are eating their fried dumplings, they always use their hands. No shame in the game. And that crunch. And the fried dumplings are packed with so much crunch, guys. We're gonna just try our plantains with a little mackerel. It turned out just the way I expected, guys. The mackerel has a little bit of kick, a little bit of spice from the peppers, guys. As my granny used to say, I saw food for taste.